Hey, this is Donnie Rains, your negotiation specialist with the Rains Real Estate team in eXp Realty. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you a single family home in Sandy, Utah, which is on the east bench of Salt Lake County. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and is about 1,420 square feet. The best thing about this home is it has a huge backyard that's really great for barbecues. It's also in a really affordable price range. Let's go take a look.